How I started TikTok with no followers, no experience, no strategy. Just like every other young guy out there, I started TikTok, or let me say I started content creation 2 years ago, and without no experience, without no guidance, without no mentor. I just started like some of you, as you are watching me right now. I know you don't have no experience, no guidance, and you are just there. I heard TikTok is making money, and I just decided to, okay, let me quickly just go and create an account. I created an account, and I was just doing what I think it is good. I was just doing what I think it is right, and I was just posting. So just like every other person, I created a fresh account. Then I was watching video, just watching people just laugh. I'll just go to TikTok, watch videos and this. And probably before that, I've gotten a Bigo account. Yeah, there is an app called Bigo, just more like TikTok. Now, when I created the TikTok, things were not going the way I wanted to be. Then I abandoned my TikTok and I resumed Bigo. And Bigo was doing fine. I remember having up to like 500 followers, yeah. But I wasn't really feeling Bigo because of the rubbish they are doing there, showing them their body and stuff and blah, blah, blah. So I said to myself, bro, I should go back to TikTok. So I abandoned Bigo and I went back to TikTok. Now remember, someone that doesn't have no experience. I don't know what to do. I don't know what TikTok is really all about, but I just heard people are making money. So I went to TikTok with the mindset of, I want to make money, because people say they are making money on TikTok. So just like you, no followers, no idea, no strategy, no concept, I created an account. The mindset shift that actually changed everything on my TikTok account was when I come across a lady, Rita. Her name is Rita on TikTok. I'm following her, and I believe up to now she's not even following me back, and she don't know. I know, yes, she have a lot of followers and she won't even know who is who. But when I see the way this lady actually create her content, and I say to myself, bro, you are a tech guy, you can actually do better than what these people are actually doing. So the mindset was, if this lady can actually pull crowd, and if this lady can actually do things, then I think the lady was having 30k followers. Now we're like, wow, 30k followers. How will I get there? When I created my account, I was having just 100 or something followers. Yeah. And I was like, oh no, I think I need to go there, or I need to be there. So I started watching her videos. I love the way she does her things. And I said to myself, bro, if you can do more than this, you can actually do more than this. So now she actually inspired me unknowing to her, and I picked up from there, and I said to myself, I will become the top content creator of our time in my own way. Yeah, I may not be the top content creator, but in my niche, I will tell you I am the top content creator. I'm not in no competition with anybody. I am doing my thing in my own way, in my own zone, trying to build my brand, and I can categorically tell you by this time, I am a recommended TikToker, or I am a recommended content creator and an influencer. So the mindset actually changed everything, and I took content creation very serious. I didn't want to limit myself as a TikToker. No, because TikToker, what they do is they talk about TikTok, but a content creator generalize everything. A content creator create content, not just TikTok. Understanding TikTok power as a growth platform. Until you understand what TikTok is all about, you will not actually know why you are there on TikTok. Like I said, just like other persons, I heard TikTok is making money, and the mistake I did was I just went there. I started shooting anything. In fact, I was not even shooting. I was posting random pictures. I was posting random pictures. I was posting videos of Pastor Femi Lazarus, Apostle Selma. Any videos that I just see that is okay with me, boom, I post it. I didn't really understand what is TikTok. So the thing is, you must really understand what is TikTok. How can TikTok actually fuel growth? How can I actually grow as a TikToker or as a content creator that find himself or herself on TikTok? So this is what you need to know. You must understand the growth power before you can actually do whatever you want to do. And you must know why you are there on TikTok. So Until you ask yourself these questions. Why did I really create this account? Why am I creating this account? Why am I calling myself a TikToker? Or why am I calling myself a content creator? You know, there is a popular saying that said, if the purpose of a thing is not met, abuse becomes inevitable. So if you are not actually finding your purpose, the why you are there on TikTok, you will keep doing the same thing you are doing. You will keep repeating the same mistake you'll be making all over. So you must ask yourself, why are you on TikTok? Or why do you want to become a content creator? So ask yourself this question.